Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 186. This was the 4th of March 2023, a Saturday. So I did exercise and I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs, and I worked on books. I worked on my insurance business, and I worked on web development. And I also made some videos on Essential Travel Items channel, and I did work on Livegood. So I'm now, separately made a video today about Livegood, and I made that video. So I hope you watch that video on Livegood, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. So that was my day. Very productive day. A lot of stuff. I'm taking also a lot of courses on, going back and revisiting courses that I've already took before, but going back and re-educating myself on YouTube development and web creation, video creation. So lot to learn, and I'm recommitting myself to this process once again. So if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.